What's up, legend? Renee here, the Forever Landlord. Thank you so much for being here. It's an honor. I appreciate you for trusting me to work with you. If you're watching this, you're going to see what makes Landlord Legends different. Straight up, no bragging. This is the most future-proof landlord training out there. Not because I'm the smartest, but because of passion and commitment. I've spent years testing and optimizing all for this one landlord operating system. What makes this stand alone is it doubles as the infrastructure for your very own AI assistant property manager. Think of it like your personal self-management Jarvis. Each module you complete builds your AI's brain, so you get a 24/7 employee. We're going to work together step by step to build you a legit rental business that runs with the least amount of effort possible. Something you can count on. But real talk, there's going to be some heavy lifting up front because we're building an engine that's going to last forever and ever. You don't have to do everything the way I do it. As we work together, just remember the one big takeaway. It's basically three parts. It's keep control, make it simple, build to last. Get ready, no shortcuts. We're about to build you a complete rental operation that's dependable and long lasting. Picture yourself 80 years old, in control, easy going, still cash flowing. Just build it right once and enjoy your freedom. Whether your rentals are nearby or far away, resist the urge to jump in and do everything. That's not the goal. When I was in Iraq on the other side of the world, backwards time zone, crappy internet, no cell service, I had no choice but to rely on my systems. They held up. Now that I'm back home, I sometimes have to fight the urge, but when I do get involved, it's because I choose to, not because I'm forced to. All right, now, are you ready? Let's do this.